This is the luxury edition of Would You Rather. Lavish choices, tough decisions. What would you pick? Drop your answers below, subscribe, and let's dive in. Would you rather live in a private island villa or own a penthouse in New York? Would you rather drive a Rolls-Royce for life or fly private jets forever? Would you rather have unlimited luxury fashion or unlimited luxury tech? Would you rather dine at five-star restaurants every day or have a private chef at home? Would you rather own a luxury yacht with crew or a luxury RV with full amenities? Would you rather spend a month in Bora Bora or spend a month in the Swiss Alps? Would you rather own a luxury art collection or a luxury car collection? Would you rather never pay for first class again or never pay for hotels again? Would you rather have a personal stylist forever or a personal trainer forever? Would you rather attend the Met Gala every year or attend the Oscars every year? Would you rather have a 24-karat gold iPhone or a diamond-encrusted watch? Would you rather swim in an infinity pool on a skyscraper or relax in a private hot spring in your backyard? Would you rather have Elon Musk as a mentor or Jeff Bezos as a business partner? Would you rather own a luxury brand or be the face of a luxury brand? Would you rather explore the world in a luxury cruise or own a private jet with a bedroom? Would you rather get a $1 million shopping spree or a $1 million vacation package? Would you rather live a red carpet life with no privacy or a quiet luxury life with total privacy? Would you rather be gifted a luxury apartment for 1 hour or a beach villa in the Maldives for 1 hour? Would you rather pause time in a luxury moment or travel through time in luxury for 1 hour? Would you rather get a luxury mansion with 20 staff or a castle with secret passages?